my name is Annie from the Banannie Diaries. I am going to share with you one of my favorite tricks for when I pack for a work trip. So here we go. I always pick one color scheme that I'm gonna base all of my looks off of. So for today, I'm gonna show you as if I was packing for more of a neutral color scheme. Here we go. So if I had this skirt, this is the top that I would put with it for one look. And then I have a blazer here. So you can put the blazer on for a meeting. But then if you're just gonna go out, you can take it off and you still have a cute top and skirt and then a pair of nude heels. Moving on, how I would also create a new look. So we could keep the same blazer and the same heels, but now we have a little dress that still matches perfectly with the color scheme. And if I wanted to, I could put on a completely different blazer, but it's in the same exact neutral color scheme, so I could pair it up with any of the other looks that I've brought. I hope that this little tip helped you. I know it certainly helps me. I am known for overpacking some too many clothes whenever I go away. So this trick has helped me to narrow down my choices and bring fewer items, but items that are very versatile and mix and match with a lot of different outfits. Thank you so much for watching.